AMEŌN is a very personal project for me that was born from my recovery to heal my skin after chemotherapy. When I was 30 years old, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. It was 6 years ago, so all is good now. But on my journey to heal, rejuvenate and restore my skin, my oncologist told me about cryotherapy. And it completely changed my life, the quality of my skin, and finally inspired me to create AMEŌN and our signature product, Frozen Essence.
Frozen Essence addresses the biggest challenges in skincare: penetration, ensuring your skin absorbs all the beneficial ingredients. Skin icing with Frozen Essence causes your blood vessels to constrict, driving oxygen and vital ingredients deeper into your skin cells. This deep penetration accelerates the results, allowing you to see a noticeable difference in a shorter time frame.
Hi, my name is Jacqueline and I'm an esthetician here in New York City. I want to talk to you a bit about cryotherapy and its benefits. It will help restore and rejuvenate your skin. But today especially, I want to say and mention Frozen Essence. Using it on the skin, your capillaries are going to constrict and then dilate, and it's going to pulse products in deeper, maximizing its benefits. What I love about Frozen Essence is it's a high concentration of powerful active ingredients that once frozen will activate and then you use it on your skin. It will also activate the remaining of the AMEŌN skincare line, including its 2 serums and moisturizer.
Imagine looking into the mirror and seeing a more youthful, radiant skin looking back at you. This is the power of Frozen Essence. Unlock the secret to ageless beauty with AMEŌN, the ultimate skincare superweapon.
My mission, born out of my personal story of recovery and countless hours of research and dedication to finding a skincare ritual that truly works. I have found it, and now I need your help to bring it to the world. Your support today can help shape the future of skincare. Hit that button, back this project, and become a part of the AMEŌN family. Share our mission on your social media platforms. Let the world know that we are here and we are ready to make a difference. And I'm here for you, ready to communicate, ready to share all the information you need. Your support, your belief in our mission is invaluable to us. Become an AMEŌN baker today and help us change the world of skincare. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you.
As we age, particularly under stress, our skin naturally becomes thinner, drier, and wrinkles begin to appear. But why does it seem like skincare routines are failing us? What if we told you there exists a product that works 5 times more effectively than anything you've ever tried before? Introducing the future of skincare innovation. Say hello to the new Frozen Essences, Peptonic, Skin Zen, 3C Power, and Dynamic Duo, Newman Retinoic Oil, and La Sculpture Gua Sha. Get ready to sculpt, contour, and radiate confidence like never before. Celebrities like Bella Hadid are in love with skin icing already. The AMEŌN collection powered by Frozen Essence is a revolutionary skincare line that harnesses the power of sub-zero temperatures to rejuvenate your skin. Our meticulously crafted formulas, developed over 2 years, target skin dullness, hyperpigmentation, irritation, and visible signs of aging. Think of it as an ice roller, but supercharged. It takes just 2 weekly applications to achieve the captivating ice glow. Editors who have tested AMEŌN Frozen Essence have been captivated by its transformative powers. They have witnessed their skin become revitalized, rejuvenated, and radiantly beautiful.
Cryotherapy is normally used in the medical field, but using it at home is a genius idea.
They depuff around my eyes, they tighten my pores.
My skin looks tight and bright and rejuvenated.
Oh my god, it smells so good actually.
My skin feels very plump and fresh.
My skin is glowing now.